Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your machine will accept Chrome OS Flex and that virtualization is available. This prevents later roadblocks. Once done, back up any important files and enable the required firmware settings, UEFI and USB boot. Next, download the official Chrome OS Flex image and create a bootable USB stick using a verified tool. Make sure the USB is 8 GB or larger and formatted properly. This gets you into the installer quickly and avoids repeating preparation steps. After installing Chrome OS Flex and finishing initial setup, you move into enabling Android support, which is not native on Flex. First, enable developer features and check for Arc support options in settings. These are essential because Android needs a container. If Arc is unavailable, you'll install a third-party runtime or a custom Android container, follow verified community instructions, and grant necessary permissions. Proceed step by step, because this middle phase configures the virtual. Now you install Google Play within the Android container by loading the required APKs in the correct order and then signing in with your Google account. Once signed in, update Google Play services and any app updates, then reboot to finalize integration. If Play Store fails to open, clear the Android container cache and data, then try reinstalling the container. Also confirm firmware settings like TPM and virtualization remain enabled. This troubleshooting tip resolves most common failures and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.